Alright, today I am going to show you how to clean a stove surface with Pine-Sol, okay? So right now I have a paper towel, okay? I should have some gloves on. If you're using this, use gloves, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the paper towel and I'm gonna wet it a little bit with water, alright? And then I'm gonna take the Pine-Sol and I'm just gonna add a couple of drops of Pine-Sol to the paper towel. All right, so once you have a couple of drops of Pine-Sol on the paper towel, you're just going to take the paper towel and you're just going to gently go in circles on the stove, just like this. And when you do it like in circles, you actually rub out the grease and hard deposits left on the stove. And it comes out, you know, it's in there. You see marks in here of the grease that's inside of the stove. You do that, and then you just take the paper towel, flip it on the other side, and then wipe it up just like that. And when it's all said and done, when it's all wet and stuff like that, you're gonna take a dry paper towel. You rip off a dry paper towel, all right? And then I am going to do the same thing. I'm gonna do it in circular motions to get any additional dirt and grime from off of the stove. Wipe it up into, you see that? More dirt into the paper towel. And that's how you clean a stove with trusted Pine-Sol. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.